Hi, Jason here from TGN. Alright, so we have a very new unit here that we got just earlier today, and it's a U6-Lite. Okay, so it has a 2x2 radio. Okay, it's Wi-Fi 6, the latest one and the newest one from Ubiquiti for mass market. Alright, this is not an early release model, and it's the international version where basically you enjoy all the full 5 GHz bandwidth bands that you have. And for the 5 GHz, it's a 2x2 MU-MIMO. Okay, and OFDMA up to 1.2 gigabits. All right, and for the 2.4, sad to say, it's a 2x2 as usual, still on 300 megabits. All right, so for those who are purchasing these, do take note that the 2.4 gigahertz is still on 2x2 radio and up to 300 megabits. Okay, so do take note of that. Now, for the next part, we're going to do the unboxing. All right, so what's going to happen is I'm going to be removing the stick. All right. Okay, put it aside. Let's open it up and see what we have here. Okay, so what you got here is the screws. Okay, so up here you got the screws. Okay, let me lay it out for you. And packaging wise, it's very, very neat. That covers the unboxing for the U6-Lite. I'll be having another video where I will cover on the channels that are available and also on the channel width to see what's inside. And of course, to do that, you make sure you can try and get the latest controller version to run it, and then I will go through that in another video. Okay, so with that ends my unboxing. Thank you very much. If you like the video, remember to click on like, remember to subscribe to our channel. All right, thank you very much.